Friends, as we wait for the direct tax Vivad se Vishwas scheme, the CBDT has rolled out e-dispute resolution scheme 2022 again in September 2024 for reducing the litigation at the budding stage itself for small and middle scale taxpayers. The scheme has been rolled out via Section 245 MA and Rule 44 DAB or DAC. The application under the e-DRS scheme has to be done through Form 34BC online on the income tax portal. In this video, we would discuss on who can avail the benefits, against which orders, and the detailed features and process of filing an application under this e-DRS scheme. First of all, let us not confuse this e-DRS scheme with the dispute resolution panel scheme under 144C. These are two different schemes. e-DRS scheme is for nipping the litigation at or before the commissioner appeal stage. The small and middle scale taxpayers who can avail of this scheme are those where in any assessment year the reported total income is not more than rupees 50 lakh, the disputed amount of demand is not more than rupees 10 lakh, and where the case is not a case which has evolved out of search, survey or requisition of documents or international agreements under Section 90 or 90A. For those taxpayers where appeal has already been filed before the first stage, before 31st of August 2024, they can go into this scheme and file the e-DRS application form by 30th of September 2024. For those for whom orders have been issued before 31st of August 2024, they have to go into this scheme in September 2024 itself, but maximum within 1 month of the order receiving date. For those for whom the order has been passed or will be passed in September 2024 itself, they can go under this scheme by 30th of September 2024. Once an application is filed in Form 34BC on the income tax portal, then it would go to the dispute resolution committees which have been formed in 18 jurisdictional principal CCITs across the country. These dispute resolution committees can either waive off or reduce the penalty or even reduce or waive off the prosecution under the scheme, and this is the benefit which the taxpayers or assessee will get under this scheme. Various assessment orders can be gone under this scheme, like assessment orders under 143(1) or orders under 154 or other assessment orders. Even TDS or TCS orders where the deductor or collector do not agree to the demand, or orders under 201 or Section 206C subclause 6A. All of these orders can be applied for under this e-DRS scheme. Once the application goes to the dispute resolution committee and it is admitted, then the appeal, if filed against the order, has to be withdrawn. Mind that once you go under this appeal, you cannot dispute and litigate the order under DRC. Therefore, this scheme is different for the DRP scheme under 144C. However, if the DRC does not, that is the dispute resolution committee does not approve your application, then the time which has elapsed from the application to the order of the DRC, that will not be counted for the time barring period for filing the appeal under the Income Tax Act. However, before rejection of the application under Form 34BC, the DRC has to issue a SCN and provide an opportunity to the taxpayer or the assessee of being heard. Very important again, unlike the DRP under 144C, the Dispute Resolution Committee in e-DRS scheme cannot enhance the demand under the impugned order which has been applied, right? Now, once you file an application on the income tax portal under e-DRS scheme, you have to pay an filing fees of rupees 1000. The Form 34BC has to be filed via DSC or OTP or EVC, and once you file the form online, then a copy has to be emailed to your jurisdictional dispute resolution committee. Also, as we have discussed, in case an appeal is already filed, for that case under which you go for the instant e-DRC, then you need to withdraw the appeal once the application is admitted by the dispute resolution committee. While filing the Form 34BC, please keep the impugned order handy. Please keep the return for which you are going under e-DRS handy, the income tax payment challan handy, where you have paid the tax interest amount already. When you go into the income tax portal, you need to go to the dashboard. Under the dashboard, you need to go to e-file. Under e-file, you need to go to income tax forms and thereafter file the form 34BC on the income tax portal with OTP, DSC or EVC. So friends, this is the complete process, features and issues under the e-DRS scheme. In case you have any such order, specifically a TDS or TCS order, where maybe you would want to go and reduce the litigation, September 2024 is the month where you can take advantage of this e-dispute resolution scheme. Thank you very much for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe to this channel. Stay tuned. Thank you very much.